So now let's see how we can work around with tune noise effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the tune noise effect, first of all, you need to select out this particular image right here. Then you need to go around onto the effects menu, and then around over here in the noise section, you can see that tune noise is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that there are different tune noise options that you can actually choose right here. For example, you can go for more Gaussian or more uniform or more median right here. You can change around the level and the density, as you can see right here, just like this, and you see a preview right here just like this. You can go ahead and increase out the level, change around the density, and you see the preview. So if I were to click on this one, you can see the density right here, and that is actually applied. You can click on it again right here just like this as well, and click on different elements multiple times to apply the noise as you like. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the tune noise effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.